Greeting to all of us. Thank God for the blessing that God has be based on us, so that we can gather in good health. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm very happy to be present in front of you all. Here I will present the result of the research that has been carried out with the title is Distillation of Essential Oil Through Portable Distiller to the partner of the program for disseminating technology products to community. Um, the team in this research is Mr. Hidayat Asta, and then Mr. Daud Pardana, and then Munandar, and it's me, Kiki Kristiandi. So the first problem in this research is introduction. The number partner one in West Borneo, they have a plan for essential oil or EO production in home industry scale with material of agarwood and orchid based on Pagajit customary forest in an area of 210 hectare, Tengkawang, agarwood, forest, orchid, palm, Borneo ironwood, resort, and etc. The partner two is Borneo agarwood. They will be processing agarwood EO. The farmer community have been 9220 trees from by pilot project plantation area in Galing origin around Aruk border area. The problem is distillate technology and solving great equipment for the partner, 2-unit portable distiller, steam pressure, agarwood distiller or SPAD, and 2-unit cyper agarwood or CA, applicable, efficient, effective, and equipped of a GMP protocol producer base. This is the picture is the steam pressure agarwood distillator or SPDA, and then number 2 is cyper agarwood ACAA for the process to distillate, and the number 3 is picture is EO or agarwood oat oil. Specification of SPAD is have 2 specification. 10 specification of SPAD. The number 1 is LPG regulator, and then number 2 distiller frame with elbow 40 multiplication 3 millimeters, and then condenser tube frame, and then 4 is distiller tube. The number 5 stainless steel condenser tube series 301 thickness 2 millimeters, and then number 6 stainless steel valves, and then number 7 pressure gauge indicator, and then H number safety valve, then 9 spiral condenser with the stainless steel 4 thickness of 1 millimeter, and then number 10 or finish separator glass. This is the picture. The method in the research is have two procedure and two phases. And then location with research is Pagajit area. The DPTM activity were carried out in 2 areas, namely in the Pagajit customary forest, Sahan village, Bengkayang Regency, and agarwood cultivation area, Suipala village, Galing district, Sambas Regency. The activity were carried out from April 2018 and to November 2018 too. The procedure number 1 is fase socialization, preparasi, participation partner, and fase 2 is implementation program. Output with the research is pure EO and perfume. This is the picture of flowchart agarwood and orchid oil production. We start with material to and finish to agarwood oil and orchid oil. The finding analysis for the research, the application and implementation of technology products to the community is a program for knowledge transfer of appropriate technology through the grant of SPDA machine. CA, training and coaching in the EO production processing, especially agarwood and orchid, as well as other aromatic plant through a distillation process that has not professionally been processed into EO product. The description of the working mechanism of the technology product is as follow. The A is economic and social, and then pre-production, Pre-production is number one is search of raw ingredient, natural or cultivate, and quality of raw ingredients, and then technology, and then number two is soaking of raw ingredient was done for two to 4 weeks in order to facilitate the release of EO. And number three is the level of skill and experience of worker in the EO production process using a portable SPAD machine must be ensured because the main requirement for EO are the smell hard, fragrance, color, and viscosity. The number two is technology. Technology, the working principle of the SPD engine is generally the same as other general distillation. The difference is the valve that function as a pressure control from boiling water vapor around, and then in the distillatory tube to carry maximum or oil particle in a period of 16 hours to 20 hours without the scale of burn. Water vapor bring the oil directly into the spiral condenser tube and change from the vapor phase pass to the dew pass. Thus, the oil clump after in the purification tube or container or on glass. The final process was sludge deposition, repeated purification, EO aging treatment, and packaging. The pressure system has the advantage of having a higher amount of oil, but if you are not carefully, the oil tend to be black and burn due to be high temperature and pressure. This from reference is Julianza and colleague 2004. And then number three is the benefit of technology. The benefit of technology in this research have a three benefit. The number one is partner can process or produce the EO ingredient directly and independently based on the availability of raw ingredient in each area. Number two is expanding to EO as production process in small, medium, and large quantity in a very efficient, effective, and sustainability manner. And the number three is benefit technology product is the resulting EO product is homogeneous and has a distinctive characteristic, namely reddish black, smell hard, fragrance, and can last up to 12 hours on the skin after use. The characteristic of EO is highly favored by the UIE market. The number four is economic and social impact. And then for the economic and social impact have two impact. The number one is one unit SPAD and CA machine can derive 6 family per week. And then number two is improvement in partner income will be correlate with positive change in the social impact partner. Although you are alone while my mother and her mother and the general public from behavior pattern of conserving and developing raw ingredient, individual and community social relation, participating and taking an active role in coaching and running elder program, be it individual, group, or government program. Conclusion with the research is have 4 conclusion. The conclusion number 1 is producing portable distillation machine 2 unit of SPAD and 2 unit of CA. The conclusion number 2 is the EO distillation technology provide is a concentrate solution for the partner in solving problem they encounter. And the number 3 conclusion is partner play an active role, had high enthusiasm, were very positive in receiving EO distillation applied science knowledge. the understood the prospect and business opportunity of EO. And then finally is conclusion have for conclusion number four. The number one is the partner understood and were able to carry out the EO production process completely and correctly, such as the raw ingredient treatment, raw ingredient treatment, operating, maintaining VAD and CA machine, and then repeated purification, EO aging, treatment, packaging, and basic perfume, and then manufacturing method. The the number three, EA, to calculation is EO product produced by partner from the results of training have a good prospect and opportunity for increasing economic and social impact. And then next conclusion is the establishment and operation of partner two production unit in the EO business and the supply of raw ingredient for extract resin from agarwood waste distillation with an average production target per month is EO 100, 100 to 500 milli and 1,000 to 5,000 kilogram of agarwood distillate waste. Partner one in the Sahan village was focused on developing the EO business unit for perfume and collaborating with village owner enterprise or BUMDes for the Indonesia language of Saham village. Acknowledgement for the research is the Directorate General of Research and Community Service and Directorate General of Research of Development strengthening of the Ministry of Research, Technology and Higher Education and Center of the Research Community Service Unit or P3M of the State Polytechnic of Sambas, as well as the PTM program partner. So those are something I can say on this occasion today. I apologize profusely if my word or action are not pleasing to all of you. With this, I conclude today's presentation. For this presence, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and thank you.